Hi friends, today's topic is work on yourself. The higher energies of light, universal love, and the help of higher evolved beings have influenced our planet all the years from hippies onward to the present day. Awakening of consciousness began as early as the 60s, perhaps even earlier in the 40s, and ended last year. Now only results, changes, that is manifestations, are showing. In all these years we have had the best opportunity to move faster and easier to a higher level of consciousness. Since most weren't ready for it, we only managed a few percent of people. It is up to us now. It is much easier to work on yourself when others are also developing their consciousness, as we are all connected to each other like a multi-headed dragon. If more than half of the people were to hold a higher consciousness, they would move the scales to the other side and thus drag the other half of humanity behind them, which would almost become self-aware. The main reason for everything that happens in the world is feeding, as only this affects consciousness, thinking and actions. I myself have been devoting myself intensively to this for about 15 years. Now, however, I opted for a slower pace, just like the others who opted for a harmonious stay on Earth. We need to help ourselves and direct all our attention daily to where we feel the right path is for us, even though it's not so easy and pleasant. Why? With higher consciousness we have decision-making power, better to treat the body, better memory, creating a better life, and consciously chosen actions for which we experience positive consequences, higher intelligence, and actions from love in a world to be happy, as it is our natural state. At the beginning of my spiritual awakening, I was excited about the new reality and the truths of the world and was happy to explore, but now frankly, I'd rather be fully enlightened already than have to work on myself. But I have to if I want to enjoy life to the fullest. I have found that this is the only possibility and the way for all of us, with love for ourselves, to act daily for our highest good and consequently to have a beneficial effects on others. Life is not exactly the easiest, but it can be beautiful if you create it on a daily basis. I have already written and spoken in a previous articles and videos. It's true that you have to put a lot of effort into what you want, but that's why you are always richly rewarded. Remember that you are responsible for the life you live. So I emphasize that you need to be aware if you really want to grasp it from within and make beneficial changes. You are a very important part of the whole, so anyone who feels that something or more in this text is intended just for you decides and makes a lasting changes and sticks to it for a life, upgrade, and even better improve it. It is important that you share with the world what you know best, because by doing so you raise the vibration of the earth and at the same time you are always richly rewarded for it in a various ways and from the sides where it is most harmonious for you. Be kind to yourself. Pay a lot of attention to where you feel tenderness and warmth, and from this energy, act in the world. You will never be perfect, but you can be very good example for others. With love, Damien from This Is My Love. This is it. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. I kindly ask you to share, and subscribe to our channel This is My Love. See you next time. Bye bye.